Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this, final frontal music AI called SUNO AI music. So let's quickly jump into it. So talking about SUNO AI. SUNO AI is one of the most advanced AI music generator today, letting user create full songs with vocal, lyrics, and instrument in just minutes. Its biggest strengths are ease of use, fast generation, wide yield support, and a long track capability, up to 8 minutes long. For creator, hobbyist, or content maker needing quick background track or inspiration, Sono feels like a game changer. So talking about the pros, which is the advantages part of this platform, it comes as a fast result, emotional vocal, diverse styles, and a collaborative features. Talking about the downside, which is on the downside or flip side, Sono AI still struggle with the consistency. Like vocal can sound robotic sometimes, but which prompts may not always hit the mark. The track sometimes end, happily. Pricing can also feel restrictive with limited credit or lower tiles, and even compliant about billing support. So in the downside, uneven quality subscription limit and a weak customer service. So in my conclusion, Suno AI is a fun and powerful tool for experimentation, but it is not yet reliable enough for professional level or music production. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. You're welcome.